Everyone, welcome to the Black Generation channel. My name is Takunda Madichangu. On this channel, I'll be releasing a series of tutorials on how to use the Andrax distro for hacking. So Andrax is a pen testing distro for the Android platform that was developed by the Cracker technology. It runs on Android versions 5 going upwards. It's open source, it's optimized, no emulation, it runs natively on Android. It has over 900 tools and can carry over 1000 attacks. Talking about Android pen testing distro, Andrax is so cool. So I'm assuming that you have Andrax installed or you're in the process of installing it. If you haven't, please do it quickly. So for this tutorial, I'll be your tour and I'll be showing you around Andrax. So Andrax comes with 17 applications. Most of these allow you to quickly navigate to different tools. So at number 1, we have information gathering, which contains tools for passive and semi-active reconnaissance. At number 2, we have scanning tools, which are mainly used to scan targets or to conduct active reconnaissance. Number 3, we have packet crafting, which contains tools used for crafting and manipulating network packets. At number 4, we have network hacking tools, which are mainly used for manipulating networks. At number 5, we have website hacking tools, which contains tools for hacking websites. As you can see, there are many tools in here. Next in line, we have password hacking tools. It contains tools for generating word lists and for cracking passwords. At number 7, we have wireless hacking tools. It contains tools for hacking Wi-Fi networks. Number 8, we have exploitation tools. It contains tools like Metasploit Framework, MicroTaker, Parkour, Shelver, which contains tools for exploitation. Number 9, we have stress testing tools, which are mainly used for denial of service attacks. At number 10, we have phishing tools, which contains tools for phishing. Number 11, we have VoIP, 3G, 4G, UMTS and LTE tools, which contains tools for hacking mainly mobile networks. At number 12, we have ICS SCADA Internet of Things tools, which are mainly used to hack SCADA Internet of Things. At number we have the Andrax application. This application allows you to quickly navigate to Andrax documentation, to their tutorials. You can also contact the developer. You can also go to their YouTube channel, and there's this Be a Cracker button. I haven't clicked it, so anyway, I'll just click it. So clicking it will redirect to the terminal, and it will show you this red fairy dragon. Okay, allow me to say it again. Andrax is way more cooler. So on the top right, we have this action button, which contains many options. You can call the developer, you can review their about. Okay, there's also this advanced option, which allows you to manually install Andrax, install BizBox, install AXF, fix permissions, patch shell with root. And then there's this main option, which just shows you, or which redirects you back to the main application. From there, we have the top left menu, which contains all the Andrax tools. So clicking on each one of these tools on these main options will route you mainly to the terminal. And as you can see, they are not dummy options. They work out of the box. So from here, we move to the next application. This next application is the codec IDE. So this codec IDE is mainly used for creating program, and it comes with language support. It supports many languages such as assembly, C, Python, R, Haskell, Java, PHP, CSS. The list goes on and on. It also allows you to change its theme. You can also change its font size. You can also, there's this about button which shows you about information of codec IDE, and it also comes with a completion feature. So it also comes with a completion feature, which is one of the main features that distinguishes an IDE from an ordinary text editor. So from here, we move to the next application, which is the Dragon terminal. So next in line, there's the Dragon terminal. So mainly this terminal is the Andrax terminal, and it's mainly based on the Z shell. But if you prefer Bash, you can always change to Bash. And if you prefer Z shell, you can always change back. And as you can see here, knowledge of Unix or Linux commands is very essential, as it will allow you to quickly navigate in the Andrax terminal. So from here, if we click on the top left corner, there are options to enable recovery mode, new sessions, how to hack, and terminal settings. So we are going to be diving in each of these options in the coming tutorials. And there's also this bar or this gear option, which allows you to navigate to your favorite tools. If you click on information gathering, and if I click on who is, what it does is it will route you to that tool in the Andrax terminal. So as you can see, this is the who is tool. If you want to move maybe the tool called WAF Ninja, just click on it and it will open a terminal with the WAF Ninja. I think if you have used Kali Linux before, this won't be hard to understand. So if you click on this box with the three inside, you can view all open tabs and you can close them. You can also click on that plus button to add a new tab. Okay, so that's it for the terminal. Next in line, we have top tools application, which mainly shows you the top tools. Okay, it's taking long to load. Okay. Next in line, we have the top tools, which mainly shows you the top tools that are used in Andrax. Then the next is these tutorial applications, which will show you the tutorials and You can also submit a tutorial if you want to. So that's it for the Andrax store. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions, any recommendations, or if you have to tell us what are your favorite tools on the Andrax distro, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button.